So today we're going to answer this exercise number 2. Use case statements to create a 4 to 2 line priority encoder. Then here's my truth table. So D0 is our list priority bit, then our D3 is our high priority bit, then A0, A1, B is our output. Then if our inputs are 0, 0, 0, then our A0 and A1 is X or don't care, then B is 0. Then if our D0 is 1, then the rest is 0, then R0 and A1 is 0, then B is 1. Then here we put we put D0 as X because D1 takes the highest priority higher priority than D0, so we put X here so that D1 will take the high priority. Then our output A0 is 0, then A1 is 1, then RV is 1. Then the same as here, D0 and D1 has the lowest priority bit, then D2 has the higher priority bit, so we put X to our D0 and D1. Then our output is A0 is equals to 1, then A1 is equals to 0, then B is equals to 1. In this case, D3 is our highest priority bit, so D0, D1, D2 is our least priority bit, so we put X here because D3 is our highest priority bit, then A0, A1, and B is 1. So here's our logic circuit. So I0 is D0, then D1, D2, D3, A0, A1, then B. Then here's my code. Then here's our code. So we name our module as priority decoder with 4 inputs and 3 outputs, which is our input is D0, D1, D2, D3, and our output is A0, A1, and B, then reg A0, A1, B. So case, since we have 4 inputs, we put here D3, D2, D1 as our inputs. Then here we represent our inputs as binary with 4 widths, then begin. So if our inputs is 0, 0, 1, then our A0 and A1 is 0, then B is equals 1. So I'm just basing here to our truth table. So nabasa na ko sa truth table. So ano to, parehara na isa ban. Then here's my stimulus generator or truth table. Then my test bench. So I'll try to run it. Since we didn't have error, so we'll proceed to our VVP, then our dump file. So we can now run our GTK wave for our digital signal output. Just creating because my laptop is so If our inputs are 000, then the value of our A0 and A1 is X, then B is equals to 0, so same. Then if our inputs are 1000, then our A0 and A1 is 0, then B is equals to 1. Then if our inputs are 0 or 0, so this is just an X or R, don't care. So 0100 is our outputs are 01, then 1. Then for our D2, 0010 or XX10, then our outputs are 101. Then lastly our D3 or our highest priority bit, so 001, then our outputs are 111. So that's all.